So you're welcome back today. Now I want to continue with the design of our interfaces. We are through with the design of the main interface. On the main interface, we have the customer registration button, staff registration, deposit withdrawal. Then we had various history that will display the records that have been inserted into our database. Now we want to start with the design of the customer registration so that when someone clicks on this customer registration, it will bring another interface which is a JDialog interface. So customer registration interface is about to be designed. Just be along with me. So you click on this project, you expand this again, come to banking application. Now on this banking application, you right click, you want to create another class inside this particular banking application package. So you click on new JDialog. Use a JDialog. An example of a JDialog is this dialog that have been brought up by the NetBeans. So it has only the cancel button up here. It doesn't have the minimize or the maximize. So this is an example of a JDialog. Now let's give our interface, our class name, let's give it a register underscore customer. This is just a name given to the class. Then we'll click on finish. So the interface is here, nothing is on it. So we're going to start to design this customer interface, customer registration interface. So the first thing we want to do is to give it a banner, that's a top header, so that it's going to be attractive and reflect the purpose of the interface. So just wait and see, and you see I'm going to do this in a few minutes. Come to palette, let me give it a panel. Let me use a panel to do that. Let's expand the panel. Now I'm going to give this panel color. Come to properties. Okay, let's go to color, background color. Okay, you define background color very soon. Okay, this is our background color. Click on this. Let's check for a very nice color. Let me choose this. Okay, let me choose this or this. Okay, let's apply it. Okay, so very cool. So this is the color we are going to choose. Let's give it a text. Since it's a banking sector, let's say Herosoft Bank of Nigeria. Since we are in Nigeria, Herosoft Bank of Nigeria. Let's give it a text. I'm going to do that from my palette. Label. Drop it here. Okay, let me edit the text. Edit text. Say Herosoft Bank of Nigeria. Sorry. Press enter. So you can expand this. You can expand the text. Okay, let's just change the font. Come to properties. Come to font. Let's make it bolder and choose it in. Okay, Herosoft Bank of Nigeria. Is it? So this can come up a little bit. Okay, looking good. So let's add a separator to separate that particular banner from our main interface, from main component. I've added a separator. So let's start giving our interface different labels. Let me give it I think I need about 5 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 labels. or the shift key, press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's edit. The first one will be, I think, name. Second one should be address. Third one should be account type. Fourth one should be sex. The fifth one, let me make it to be DOB. Sixth one, let me make it to be occupation. Seventh one, let me make it to be the password. Cool. Okay, I am not including date of registration here because I want my date to be gotten from the system date automatically. So I want it to be automatic. I don't want to uh, enter the date of registration manually. So let me leave it like that. I won't enter date here. So this interface is becoming cool. So in front of name, I think I need a text field. I need one, two. The first one is supposed to be text field name. Address is supposed to be text field. Then account type is supposed to be a combo box. Let's start. Okay, where's my text field? Okay, text field. Let's drop one yellow, the shift key. Second one. Okay, let me expand this. Expand this. I think I need a combo box. Combo box, where are you? Okay. Then under sex, I think I need the radio button. I need two. Or the shift key. First one. And the second one. So I can delete this. Just press the delete button on the keyboard. Then the next one is DOB. I need about 3 comma box for that. With the shift key. 1, 2, 3. Let me just expand this. Then under occupation, I think I need a text field. Then password, I also need a password field. I need a password for password. So let me just remove all the text, right click, edit text, and you press back to delete. Okay. Press back to delete. Press back to delete. So the next thing I want to do, let me just, under the account type, I have 2 different accounts, either savings or current account. This is just for my design. You can have different types of account more than 2. So I'll just click on this particular item. Okay. Click on it, go to properties. Then you can see under model, you can see item is listed. So you can remove all this. Now the first thing that will appear is select account type. Then the second thing that will appear is either savings or current. Click on OK. You see that the select account type will appear here by default. So if you now scroll, you will see either savings or current account. So we are going to meet in the next class to continue the design of this particular interface. Stay tuned and be with me. Thank you very much. Goodbye.